Too Rich Games, girl Jelani.
It's your boy John Prince Johnny.
And today, my lovely husband is gonna be cooking for me. What are you cooking?
I'm cooking some steak.
Stay munching on
Some bacon. I was gonna say bacon bits. Some mashed potatoes, some loaded mashed potatoes, though. That's what we were finna cook.
Okay, well, you had the camera shy. Don't want brand new. Damn.
Alright, go ahead and wash this off.
Yeah.
No seasoning on there.
No. Here's a steak, y'all. He's finna cook. Or should I say, he's finna burn. Man, that's what he's gonna do. Waste of steak.
Bro, you are so lame, bro. Why you so lame?
Why are you so lame? You can't cook.
Your mom and dad ain't teach you no jokes when you was little. They just left you high and dry.
Bruh, I'm not a comedian, okay?
I'm not a comedian, but
I'm not here to make people laugh.
I know how to tell a joke, though.
Okay? Y'all think that was funny, right? I wasn't trying to be funny. I was being real.
What are you talking about?
Okay, can you stop eating that?
Alright, man.
Goodness, and grab the camera.
Hey, so I watch this in hot water cold.
Okay?
I gotta wash this steak off, y'all. Wash
Quit
this.
eating that shit so you can talk.
Right, man. Shut up.
Wash it.
You get on my nerves, bro.
I'm watching for you. You know what? How about I cook? Cause
Hey, do I turn the stove on now? Or when I put the meat on there?
you couldn't turn it on now. It's not gonna take years to season it. Turn it on now. Since you look.
Put it on high.
Yeah, for now.
She thinks she know everything. She thinks she know how to do everything.
Nobody said that.
Why are you taking away the ring off? Huh?
Because I'm not gonna dirty you.
You don't look at me?
So you wanna cut it up or you gonna leave it like this?
No, I'm trying to, you don't look at me, man.
You gonna cut this meat up or what?
Nah, I'm gonna leave it like that right there.
I can't do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook it whole. Just like that, though. In case y'all wonder, I like my steak medium well.
It's not like they're gonna cook for you.
We might have a subscriber that wanna cook for us.
So cold is poison, man.
Y'all coming down below if y'all think that I mean not if y'all think y'all coming down. No, y'all coming down below if y'all will cook for us. Will cook for me. I ain't gotta cook for Jelani.
So how you want to season this? With that something right?
I wanna put some taco meat on. I mean some taco.
No, you're not putting no nasty.
I wanna put this right here on there.
No, we're putting steak seasoning.
Jelani, that's so basic, steak and steak.
Okay, but I don't want no taco.
It's not a taco, it's a stocko. Tripping, man. Steak, taco, stocko.
Bruh.
My metaphor is crazy. Can I put some cinnamon on there? Some sugar.
Stupid.
I'm trying, man. Jelani, this pan is on, bro.
Okay.
And ain't nothing in it.
So this is how we're gonna do it.
So how you make mashed potatoes? Because I don't know how to make it.
It's the basic one. You ain't got to peel nothing. You just pour that stuff in there.
Y'all ever had those?
These are ones you like.
Them the ones, they
They're
good.
fast.
But I gotta have some ranch with that. You ain't getting no ranch, did you? Oh my gosh, my baby got some ranch, y'all. She is clutch. Johnny, you clutch. For real, for real.
The potatoes cook really fast.
Alright, so who cooking with me?
I mean, I don't think so.
But I'm supposed to be cooking.
But you're not even putting
Man, you ruined the video. I ain't.
What you do with that milk?
I
need it.
I brought it out because I didn't know.
No. Did he drink it, y'all? He drunk it. I'm gonna look back. He drunk it. Quit drinking stuff. That ain't true.
Things in there. Look at y'all. Look. Them things in there. They do care. I'll take care of my hair. I take care of my hair.
I need the milk.
John, you gotta put some. You gotta put some down. You gonna burn the pot? Look, it's brown stuff in there already.
Okay, because I'm doing everything.
All right, so
get out of my way. Put the camera down.
You already seasoned this?
No, but then you put it in there. Then you season it.
Who told you that?
Dang.
Who told you that, bro?
Put it in milk. Okay, how the fuck do you do this shit?
You don't know.
How the damn measuring cup?
Hey, you want me to put it? You want me to cook the steak?
No, because if I wait for you, you're gonna end up running some shit.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
bro.
you are.
Crazy. You was tripping, boy. I'm finna. I want them to see what I'm doing too, cause I am like that. I am like, can y'all see that? Can y'all see? Let me show y'all. First you gotta burn all the germs off your hands.
So 4 quarts.
Hey, can I put this on there now? Watch me work.
Yeah, put 1. Here, use this. Why gonna use it?
Give me some seasoning salt.
No, this.
Johnny, give me some seasoning salt.
Hey, that's a steak. This has everything you need.
Baby.
The salt and everything.
Baby, all-purpose seasoning. Get them.
Bro, I don't want to eat no salty food.
The seasoning on there, Johnny. You flip it.
Okay, that's all you need because you put mad at the all-purpose shit.
No, I didn't, bro. Alright, so this thing right here is ready to cook. You feel me?
That's good. John!
Alright, man, shut up, man. Chill out, watch this. Watch this. Watch me work, y'all.
Watch you work, y'all.
Watch me work. Y'all watch how I do this. I'm a bad man.
Why are you using your hands?
Excuse me. Because I'm a real cooker. You feel me?
You're doing everything. I don't even know how to use it.
I'm gonna drop down on there too, because I'm like that with these.
Ow.
Yeah, mess with me.
I'm working, baby.
Shut up.
Yeah. We just gonna sit there and let them chill.
How the fuck you had this damn camera set up?
Johnny, like that, bro. Just leave it alone.
Just like that, just leave it alone. You people talk crazy, man, they think that I'm grown, but I ain't grown. And they calling my phone. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh my God. That little bit of water, you probably have more water than that. And then you wanna poke them a little bit, okay? Poke them things a little bit. Yeah. And you wanna wash your hands. Because you see how I'm cooking them steak though? Y'all check them out. Them things sizzling. And baby, I'm working. Oh, give me my elbow room.
Turn that little fan on.
Oh, John, why you didn't tell me about that? You should have been told me about that.
Leave it alone. It's not done.
I'm working, Johnny.
Damn, it's hard. See, that's why every time. Babe! Stop putting all that seasoning!
Johnny, I'm working. Let me
Okay,
work.
yeah, you put bad salt.
I ain't let me work.
Dang, no. I ain't eating no salty shit.
Am I bothering you?
Yes?
I ain't let me work. Let me work, Johnny. Let me work.
Dang.
Let me show you what I got for you.
Leave it alone. Stop breathing on it. Let it breathe.
Stop breathing on it. You rude.
Give me that.
Johnny, move.
Babe, see this? He cooking and he wanna snack on something. Ridiculous, I tell you.
Where's my avocado?
Appetite to my eyes.
I don't even know why you're talking to me like this. I messed up. Let me work. Let me work. Let me work. I'm working, bro.
Yeah, that's some lime.
Oh, you put lime, huh?
Yeah.
Give a little bit more. Give a little bit more to it.
Take all that salt you put in there. No, it's not. Exactly. Leave it there. Stop fucking with it.
Why you need my snack?
Nobody wants to see that, bro.
Why you making the man potatoes? I'm making it.
Because. What did you do?
Working. I'm working.
He burning. He burning.
See,
What we gonna do next? After that
put 'em
top?
in. You put the mashed potatoes in there, and you.
Yeah, you're gonna burn that too.
Hey man.
You need to make it even. Since you cooking.
I mean, what?
You're gonna do the dishes since you cooking.
Can you go over here with these mashed potatoes? We'll be right back, man. We gonna finish cooking, then we'll show y'all the finished product.
That's how it looks right now. We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Bro, y'all, oh my God, Jelani, y'all, Jelani, turn it down, why is it popping like that? It's still
Popping, Jelani. You got to stir it.
Okay, you stir it. Fell in
Look
there.
at this mess you done made, bro.
Damn, oh, that shit burn my face.
You got to stir
Give me
it.
this. Move before you burn the steak.
Jelani, you can't put the potatoes in there. Oh, you dropped the spoon in there.
No duh.
Dang.
Damn, you not helping.
I know I said we were gonna be back once we finish, but I had to show y'all this right here. This is crazy.
You gonna burn the steak, you better move it.
You crazy. Let me show y'all.
We know how to cook, bro, but this is a total fail. Like, who cooks potato like this?
Look at that. Look at that steak, man.
Bro, look how you do it, bro.
Jelani, look at what you doing.
Look at this burning shit. Alright, we done. This potato shit.
Jelani, no, you gotta keep stirring that.
I am.
Put some more water in it, some more milk or something.
No,
There's still hard flakes in there. That shit gonna taste like
bro,
grits.
it's watery.
Jelani, oh my
Shut
God.
up.
You don't even know how to make
It's watery as fuck. Look.
Baby, that's not water, that's chunky.
Bro, all you gotta put is
Some water in there. Yeah,
shut up. No.
put some juice in there.
No.
What you finna put in there?
Nothing.
Okay, Jelani.
Damn. Butter. That's it.
And you gonna need a whole stick. Hey.
Bro, this shit splash for me.
She tired now, y'all. That's why she stopped. Go, baby. Go, baby.
Are you paying attention over there?
Girl, I'm working this. I'm working this.
Worrying about me and shit.
This is easy.
Look it.
This is easy, Jelani. JJ Royalty Rich's Bar and Grill.
Wait, don't put cheese on
Where we got mad skills.
You gonna put cheese on here?
Yeah, put that cheese in there. This is how y'all make these loaded potatoes. You cook the mashed potatoes, right? You put the cheese in there. You gotta put a lot of cheese. And then you drop them boards right there in the bacon bit. Potatoes. This potatoes all on the floor.
You gonna clean it up.
Who?
You.
Oh no, baby girl.
You burn my ass.
Oh no, baby girl. Sorry, baby. I can't help you. All right, y'all. We done. The steak. Yeah, y'all can see this my plate right here. And I don't care what y'all say in these comments below. I put sauce on all my food. That's
Yes.
macaroni and cheese,
Make it look
potatoes and
nasty.
steak. Look, yo,
But to him,
mine look lit though. Mine
no,
look
it
lit.
don't.
It's actually like a strategy. It's just like, why would I take a piece of steak, dip it in the sauce, when the sauce gonna get on the potatoes anyway? It's all gonna be in my mouth jumped up.
Well,
So
tell
why
them
not?
why. Tell them the real why.
What's the real why? That's the real why. Look at it. If y'all new to this channel,
Ew, nobody wanna hear you chew.
if y'all new to this channel, man, make sure y'all subscribe, share, like, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and turn that notification bell on so y'all can get these videos, man. Cause we just started our YouTube channel. And what we trying to do, buddy?
And we trying to live up off the ground.
That was like, you was lame on it, but it's all good.
Cause I know you be forgetting what you be saying.
But anyway, subscribe, share, like, comment. Cause we look good together.
We got a little surprise.
And I think we at like, last time I checked, we was at 408 subscribers.
409, honey.
409.
Yes.
So how many more is that?
We need 90. Damn. Too much math.
You're supposed to be good at math. I'm not.
I know, hold on.
I
know
suck
it's
at
like,
math.
I'm thinking about like the food and stuff. So
What about the food?
we need 91. 91.
Jelani had to put this in her calculator. Like, look.
Bro, stop.
That's crazy.
Bro, I came from school, okay? My mouth is full of
So you
other
should.
types of things.
So you should know. But yeah, man. Like I said, make sure y'all subscribe. And we out of here because I'm finna go eat, bro. And I
Yeah,
want,
we finna smash
I want those
this.
three. I want those 3 pieces. Too.
No, you're gonna, that's for tomorrow.
All right. All right, y'all. See y'all later.
Don't say alright because you with Cameron.
Hallelujah.
Stop. Close it. Nobody wanna see it.